Hi, Chapter 4 is on cellular processes. All the cellular processes together in the body are called metabolism, and metabolism basically consists of building reactions and breaking down reactions. There are two basic types, the building and the breaking down reactions, anabolism and catabolism. In anabolic processes, larger molecules are built from smaller molecules, and this requires energy. Building requires energy. In catabolism, larger molecules such as proteins are broken down to amino acids, and this releases energy. We'll start with anabolism. We use anabolic processes to build, to grow, and to repair. The way it works is through a process called dehydration synthesis. Dehydrate means to remove water, and synthesis means to create. It is through a process of removing water that the larger molecules are built from the smaller molecules. This is how we build proteins from amino acids, how we build glycogen from glucose, how we build triglycerides from glycerol and fatty acids. You can see here that we have two monosaccharides side by side, and here in blue are some hydrogens and oxygens that will interact. A bond will form between the two monosaccharides over here on the right. Now we have a disaccharide. But this bond is formed because a water molecule has been removed. Here's the water. It's released into the body. It's called metabolic water. Here we have built a larger molecule from smaller molecules through dehydration synthesis. We're doing the same with building a triglyceride from one glycerol molecule and 3 fatty acids. The removal of 3 waters builds the fat molecule through dehydration synthesis. Catabolism is just the opposite. We're taking larger molecules such as proteins and breaking them down into their amino acids. We do this through a process called hydrolysis. Hydrolysis, water breakdown. It's just the opposite of dehydration synthesis. Instead of adding water, instead of removing water, we're adding water to break down the molecules. So here's the process. Anabolism was going from left to right. Catabolism is actually the reverse process from right to left. So in catabolism, we start with this larger molecule, the triglyceride. We add these 3 water molecules, and we break it down into 3 fatty acids and 1 glycerol molecule. With proteins, it's the same. We break that peptide bond by adding a water molecule. This dipeptide will then break down into 2 amino acids.